Splice is a video editing program that I use in my PE classroom. I started using Splice this year. I used to use iMovie all the time, but now I use Splice because of its user friendliness. The objective of it is to share lessons with my colleagues around the world or in my district. I can easily record a lesson plan or game idea and then share it via the internet or over email with my colleagues. The other objective is to share with the school community what's going on in PE classes. So when a child goes home, they can show the video to their parents. And so now the parents. The reason I like record video in the video one Kart. So, or excuse me, not Super Mario Kart. When I did my cup stacking unit. So here is a Splice video right here. So I was able to just record the kids playing a game called Cup Blasters that I created. So I could share this idea with other PE teachers around the country to show them what else they could do with cup stacking besides just simply stacking cups up and down. You see that I added music in that was provided by the app itself. And all this is me recording a video and walking around and then adding them all together. Here's a picture of a still shot that you can include into your Splice. Here's another one, just showing different kinds of games that I did with the students that were not necessarily fully focused on cup stacking itself, just games you can play. So this is not just for videos, it's obviously for still shots too. And that is Splice.